So I got so much out of this experience. It was really insightful to have some really effective tools to work through some deep shadow stuff, but also becoming a soon to be new mum. I think having an idea of what are the patterns that are coming from the toxic feminine masculine, and how to actually know that you can pass through them even if you do identify with them at stages. It's not the be all end all. You can actually transmute it, and that was really empowering for me, because that was something I was struggling as a woman that wants to be the change for the next generation. So I feel that this is going to be really powerful for people that want to change their dynamics in not just relationships, but also how they want to be there for the people that are coming through, for their children and the next generations to come. So yeah, thank you so much.